In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all downloads in YouTube. If your device is running low on storage or you just want a clean slate, removing your offline YouTube downloads is quick and safe. This won't delete your playlists, history, or any videos from YouTube itself. It only removes the copies stored locally for offline viewing. Start on YouTube in your web browser. Look to the top right corner for your profile picture or account icon. Click it to open the account menu. This is where YouTube houses your key controls, and it's the quickest way to get to the settings that manage storage and downloads. In the account menu, select Settings. The Settings page is the control center for your account preferences, playback options, privacy, and storage. We're heading there because the download controls live in this exact section. Once Settings is open, look at the options listed on the left side and choose Downloads. This page shows information specific to offline content, including how much space downloads are taking up on your device. It's designed for housekeeping, so you can clear space without affecting anything in your YouTube library. Now, click Delete all downloads. YouTube may ask you to confirm before proceeding. Confirming will immediately remove all offline videos from your device. This action is helpful when you want to reclaim storage in one go, and it's reversible in the sense that you can always re-download any video later, as long as it's available for download and your plan allows it. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see any downloads listed or the delete option appears inactive, it usually means there are no downloads stored on this device under the account you're using. Also, note that deleting downloads doesn't unsubscribe you from channels and won't affect your recommendations. It simply clears the files that were saved for offline playback. If you're trying to prevent your storage from filling up again, you can revisit this same download section later to review settings like video quality and other options that influence how much space offline content uses. Keeping an eye on those choices can help you manage storage proactively. And that's it. You opened the account menu, went into Settings, navigated to Downloads, and selected Delete All Downloads. Your device should now have more free space, and your YouTube experience remains intact. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to tidy up your offline videos.